I've never been in China, I must say again, and I'm really extraordinarily surprised with this hospitality of these people. It's really extraordinary experience because I'm for the first time in China and I'm for the first time in Beijing, and this tour is absolutely excellent. I've never seen something like this, and I saw today that there are 7 sites in the Beijing, who is trying to be world capital of the heritage, and that's very important for you and very important for all over the world. I suppose everyone all over the world would like to see something like that, something like your monuments in the center of the city, Forbidden City. We are expecting so many things. With this forum, we propose some joint declaration of the journalist organization from the countries who belongs to the Belt and Road Initiative, and I think it's a very important declaration because she pronounced some kind of unity of the journalists all over the world from so many countries, and promote cooperation. We will try to organize many seminars, many workshops, and it's very important for us, and it's important to try to make some cooperation in our professional jobs. For example, to make together some interviews about some project of the initiative, Belt and Road Initiative. For example, my colleague from Serbia can contact his colleague in China and try to do something together, to write something about this project. In my country, there are a lot of projects, especially in infrastructure, who is done by China's Belt and Road Initiative. That's very good. We are very proud of it, and we are very happy because of the friendship between Serbian and Chinese people.